want to do a tutorial on the Black Shark Rescue Pocket Knife with engraving. This knife is a folding pocket knife. All right. This knife is made by Sparta Pewter USA. It has a serrated blade. All right. It folds. It's also a glass breaker, a seat belt cutter, and it also has a carry clip to it. Okay. The overall length of the knife when it's open is 7.5 inches, 7.5 inches. The blade is measuring 3.25 inches. Okay. And I want to show you really quickly how to open and fold in the pocket knife. All right, so this is the knife. Okay. All right, as you see, it does have laser engraved. It has a logo on the blade. All right. So if you want to have this manufactured with the company Sparta Pewter USA, you would contact them. They're based in Florida. Okay. Alright, I want to show you really quickly how to close the knife. Alright, so you will take your finger or your thumb, and you see the little ridge in the middle. It's not sharp at all. You will just take your finger and you will press it forward towards you and close it. You close the knife like that. If you want to open the knife, you just pull the blade out. Just like that. To close the knife, you can take your any finger, really. It's more comfortable for me to just take my thumb, press it forward to the side. See, here, right here. See how it moves? And I just press it forward, just like that. I'm pressing it to the left. And as I press it with my thumb to the left, I just close the blade, just like that. It'll automatically loosen up. So when you open the blade, take your thumb, press forward to the left, and close. It'll loosen right up just like that. All right. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope you're safe. Please keep this knife away from children, as I keep mine away from my two children. They like to play with different things, but they're a little older now, 4 and 8 years old. So I do try to keep this away from them, and they know it's dangerous. So again, just be safe and just make sure your children don't get to it. All right. Other than that, I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching my video.